When most people think of Elon Musk, they picture a genius. The guy who built rockets, revolutionized electric cars, and is now trying to send humans to Mars. But what if I told you, the secret behind Musk's success isn't genius at all. It's something you can learn. It's how he learns. Musk once said, "I read books, I talk to people, I ask a lot of questions." That's not some mysterious formula, but the way he does it, that's what sets him apart. Let's break it down. Number 1. Musk's secret weapon, first principles thinking. Most of us learn by analogy. This worked before, so I'll do something similar. But Musk, he uses first principles thinking. That's a fancy way of saying, break everything down to the basics. Forget how others have done it. What are the raw truths? Imagine you're trying to bake a cake, and everyone tells you it has to be from a box. First principles says, wait, what's a cake made of? Flour, eggs, sugar. What if I make my own version from scratch? That's how Musk looked at rockets. Why are they so expensive? He didn't accept it as just the way it is. He broke it down. Metal, fuel, electronics. And he realized he could build rockets for a fraction of the cost. Number 2, learning across fields, like a human Google. Another thing Musk does, he learns across industries. Physics, engineering, AI, economics, even comic books. He doesn't just stay in one lane, and that matters. Why? Because most big problems, like climate change or space travel, don't belong to one field. You need ideas from everywhere. Think of it like this. If you're building a puzzle, do you want just one piece or the whole picture? Number 3, active learning, not just reading, doing. Musk doesn't just read. He applies what he learns, fast. In fact, when he was building the first Tesla Roadster, he didn't know much about car manufacturing. But instead of hiring a bunch of experts and stepping back, he got involved in every detail, questioning suppliers, redesigning parts, even walking the factory floors. It's called active learning, learning by doing. It's messy, it's intense, but it sticks. Why it matters to you. So, here's the truth about how Elon Musk learns faster than anyone else. Breaks problems down to basics. He pulls knowledge from everywhere. He learns by doing, not just watching. And here's the best part. You don't need a PhD to do any of that. Try it the next time you face a big problem. Ask yourself, what are the core truths here? What can I learn from outside my field? What can I do with what I've learned today? You don't have to be Elon Musk, but you can learn like him.